7 interesting tea facts. 1. Tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world, after water. It is a popular drink in many cultures and has a long history dating back thousands of years. 2. All tea comes from the same plant, Camellia sinensis. The different types of tea, such as green, black, white, and oolong, are produced from this single plant variety. The variations arise due to differences in processing methods. 3. The legend of tea's discovery is attributed to the Chinese Emperor Shennong in 2737 BCE. According to the legend, a tea leaf fell into his boiling water, resulting in the creation of the first cup of tea. 4. Tea contains caffeine, but the amount can vary depending on the type of tea and the brewing time. Generally, tea contains less caffeine than coffee, making it a popular choice for those seeking a milder stimulant. 5. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint tea, are technically not teas. They are infusions or tisanes made from herbs, flowers, or other plant materials and do not contain leaves from the Camellia sinensis plant. 6. The tea bag was invented by Thomas Sullivan, a New York tea merchant, in the early 20th century. He initially intended to send tea samples to his customers in small silk bags, but they mistakenly steeped the entire bag in hot water. This led to the popularization of tea bags. 7. The tea ceremony is an important cultural tradition in many countries, including Japan, where it is known as shanwayu, or sado, and China. These ceremonies often involve meticulous preparation, presentation, and serving of tea, emphasizing harmony, respect, and mindfulness. These are just a few fascinating facts about tea. It's a versatile and beloved beverage with a rich history and cultural significance around the world.